addition using number line. 2 plus 3 is equal to, let's find the sum. So starting from number 2, we're gonna jump 3 times to the right, and we landed on number 5. So the sum is 5. This time, we're going to do subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is equal to, let's find out. From number 10, jump 5 times to the left. Then that is number 5. So the difference is 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to, so from 8 we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We landed on number 3, so 3 is the answer. What is 1 plus 7? So, from number 1, we're gonna jump plus 7. It means 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what number is that?